enjoy the festivities. Yeah.
Care for a challenge? Eivor! Wolf-kissed, gaze upon my pots. They stand so strong. Unbreakable at this distance, no?
They are not, Brother. My arrows shatter whatever target they strike.
Even after draining so much meat, succeed, you shall be rewarded.
Oh, Wolf.
Keep your eyes open long enough to witness me, you drunken lout.
She stormed Bruce's castle, brought Ruin to his knees, and let Oswald hold him for trial. I could hardly believe my ears either.
Oh man, seo dar leis teach é réomhar.
That's it! As with everything, an easy task for the wolf-kissed.
Oh, barely a challenge.
Impressive, impressive. Here as promised. Now go enjoy the party.
No, Cassie's a Dalanist. Bhíon éhar a riamh ina suige higur go bhí chúis go bhfuil cosí láidre éisce. Yeah, I'm going to finally is the is Connie.
Your fist is without ale. Let us address that.
Surely a special kind of metal is required for drinking before the new king.
A metal not unlike your own.
To Odin and his endless glories.
And the new king of East Anglia. May his reign be long and good. Not bad, Wolf-kissed.
I wager you couldn't drink more than you.
Tá Anderson Corpish.
A fool's wager.
A challenge nonetheless.
I will drink you under the table.
Confident, are you? Let us see how you fare against the ale beast of East Anglia. And
That
will
was
it be
cheap, though.
interesting? Put your silver where your mouth is. What say you?
Sin
I accept.
seo sin. Wolf. Can you talk about it? Okay, shouldn't have shot. Shouldn't have missed that.
The ale here. It's strong.
Well, sin feis.
I am stronger.
Ná tacht éhar sin
Aye,
tíre.
stronger than me. You drink as well as Valdis. Now that I would pay to see.
Speaking of payment, where is my silver?
Here, well earned, wolf-kissed.
Okay. Get Finner down from the roof. Is tell him the Jiffer get written hack of the anyway, yeah.
The boar represents fertility. Did you know that?
Estes Freyr, what's your point?
You impress me, Eivor. Your battle wisdom, your strength of character, skilled in so many ways. Yet I wonder, is there any skill of mine that I could impress upon you?
Even a fool
Mach
is
seo
something
am
to
dan.
teach, whether they're aware of the lesson or not.
Hey, hey. But I could show you how to wield my plow sword.
Awful.
Sheed your plow sword, brother. I'm not interested.
You thought... No. No. I wasn't serious.
Oh,
Drink and be merry.
oh,
Be friends.
so awkward.
Wait, did you hear? Did my brother just call me? I think he... You know I should say... Brother!
Okay, nicht findet usa Shias. Right. Have you lost one?
Some sweet wine for a sweet swine. Come join me.
Gee, how graag Harwich.
The Saxon god wanders somewhere up here, does he not? I haven't seen him.
They like to say he moves with mystery.
Look, the moon. It moves untroubled now. But one day it will be eaten by a giant wolf and the nights will be black forevermore.
Are you all right?
I've tasted glory once again. And it was good.
I'm glad to hear it. Now,
I always felt like Skull, hot, chasing and trying to fulfill
Na
happiness wishes.
teach.
But now I've caught
Na
myself.
teach finir.
I've got them and I don't know.
you can let them go. Sail to a further shore.
My longship's in Valhalla. Don't you remember?
Fire starter.
Yeah, well.
Come on, let's get you to solid ground.
Everything's spinning.
Appa banish. Come here, you Shias. My
You're
friend.
very strong.
You're very large.
Sorry for this, Eivor. I've had one last glory. I should be happy. I am happy. Thank you.
It need
Okay,
not be the
Finir.
last.
Not the last.
Nicht. Cavill asphalt. Agus Valdez. You sound kriach a good hit.
Enough fun
Christ,
and
I shall.
games. I should see how Oswald is doing.
Shinna Jewish, yeah.
Eivor, I'm about to address our guests, and I'd like you to be there.
It has been a worthy ceremony so far.
And have you had enough fun yet?
I am ready to hear you address me.
Good.
Hyn vanish.
join me.
Fair Aikens Tarish. Deitim o roof. Aye, Shinna Jewish.
Push through hard times. It seems like all we've known is loss, suffering. But it is not conflict that binds us. It is compassion. May we always favor compassion, even when our enemies
Damien
refuse
Fowler
its
Fouch
boon.
and Cheery, thanks
So
on the
to my
stream.
Dane
Cheers,
friends
Luggy
and
Bears,
enemies,
come on,
I
hitch
give thanks for the
lat
bravery
lesh
shown in our
Nakalawako.
collective struggles. For my fellow Christians, may we continue standing as examples of our Lord's grace. Lights in the dark. I see East Anglia's future right here, right now, in all of you, Dane and Saxon alike. To our future,
Still a bit soft on insults, but the king has courage.
and to Eivor, without whom none of this would have been possible.
Tá come spring
On behalf of East Anglia, let this ring be proof of our loyalty to the Raven clan and all they have done for us today.
Would you have any words of wisdom for us?
To the good king, Oswald! Skull!
To Oswald! Skull!
Skull!
Skull! Okay, everyone, the bridal race starts now. Remember, you all have to lose to the bride and groom.
Déjà.
Steady all, and ready yourself for the wedding race. The king and his bride against all. My king.
Yep. Stoch a gyn recordach am first.
I challenge you.
I accept.
Oswald. Amatan.
Oswald is king, and a king must have a champion. I will fight in his stead.
You challenged me, Eivor.
Your fight is bigger than this, Lord. You must rebuild East Anglia plank by plank, and a dead king cannot keep his oaths. Let me finish this.
Oswald, you gutless Arya swine! I'll slay the wolf-kissed, then hang you with your own tongue.
Okay, Usa.
You, always getting in the way!
Nach me, ha. Wel, chara sin bwlach ceast Eivor. Ja, sin.
East Anglia can burn for all I care!
Yn sin. Ni lys bwlach na hachar an hyn.
I wish it had not come to this. So much death, so much anger.
What is done is done.
You're leaving now.
I should. Your wedding should be a day of peace and happiness. Today I lack both.
Eivor, you've done East Anglia a great service. I promised you an alliance, and now you have it.
And one day I will need you to make good on that alliance.
Okay. Wel, hwg sin bicyn na section of am dŵl.
I should find Finir. Say goodbye before I leave.
Yn coni dillery yn y chael. Okay, can I sin cheery refiniad agus nuair sin bí a quest a seo dé seo agus nuair sin stadi mi.
Ah, greetings, Eivor.
You're missing the festivities.
I've had my fill.
It's as much yours as it is Oswald's.
I was a crumbling man, Eivor. Before all this, I thought I'd die a tired old failure. But now, my heart burns bright with newfound fire. I want to live hard, die fierce.
Glory cares not for age, Finir. Sail with me. My ship could always use a wise head and a strong axe.
Together,
Together.
I'll
Yeah.
gather my things.
Finiad. Sganil hain. Seil ag jerig y gem y bu is ac un ysgyd y hwla dynia i'r fad asig ac un. I'r fad ac un cyw. I'r fad asig an. Syna. Criach i'r quest asyn. So smyn sy'n lesio sy'n. Lesyn criach.
Seems the wind calls me back to Gàidhlig. Best tell her the good news.
Wel. Chili sy'n gyrrand fi. Ach, chyn sy'n y drast y chartyn, y drast sy'n dal y stat yr son y jiw. Tang yr son y fi'n am chwydioch yr son Cluicheamaid eile. Agus, ai, hi sy'n na hachras yna hiach gyn gwydio gybi stream awn y ddeir mae'r ha cwysyn y dal. Hymyn doch ys gybi. Agus gybi sy'n cael yn stream mi erich gen fli yna. So bi sy'n un sy'n ach. Mis mae sy'n díach an cúm sin áin le Valhalla a chuid gin ahric sin, so díach cúm fis rain Twitter gohairis me ha rutána ha síir an éicin. Ach ein mor an taingus an bhín am chuteach i dí te chumma sibh féicinn sa chat agus ruta mar sin agus mi dach gon de chartarút agus chuirtún am gláin a cha mé dal I galah an istring sa mé dal stat a bhrín bhíal catcart ach mór an taing a chairtin agus chiimi an nachrip siú. Cheers drasta.